Hello everyone, a warm welcome to each and every viewer out there. Today we are going to learn some interesting salads. I'm going to teach you how to make pasta salad. As we all know that pasta is very versatile. You can have it as an appetizer or as a side dish or even in the main meal. And pasta basically it's the staple ingredient of the Mediterranean cuisine. You can make a combinational recipes out of the pasta. Today for our pasta salad we require one bowl of pasta. This is the boiled one, means I have boiled it in hot water along with a little amount of salt and oil. Just a drizzle you can do. This is small bowl, like one bowl of corns. You will get easily in the market. You can boil it for some time. Remember that corns are very healthy and it is light in diet, and you can have it mostly in the dinner and also in the breakfast. For the pasta salad I am going to use some vegetables. So onions, 2 onions I have taken, 1 tomato. I'm going to use a green cucumber, and this is capsicum. So these are the vegetables, and this will be used for the dressing purpose. So it's very easy and it's made in within few minutes. Let's get started with the pasta salad. You can see all my vegetables are now finely chopped. I have cut them in different formats. Tomatoes like this, little bit elongated, cucumber like this, onions in a round shape, and capsicum finely chopped. So the last step is just put all these ingredients in the bowl. Put your dressing. I am here using Sugarlite Omega Balance Caesar dressing and dip, so you will get easily in the market. You can also try other combination of dressing. Put little amount of olive oil if you want. So we will start putting our vegetables. Now I will take the capsicum. Time for onions. It's colorful salad actually. Cucumber. And finally the tomatoes. And these are the boiled macaroni pasta that I'm going to mix in this. You can see I have taken all the veggies along with the pasta into the bigger bowl. It's now time to put the dressing. Take salt. I have put the dressing. You can put more if you want. Time to put salt. Salt is as per taste. Mix them well. You can drizzle some olive oil into this and you are almost done. And I am ready with today's dinner, which is full of veggies and health benefits. The pasta salad is now ready to serve. You can see how beautifully it is with all the colors and veggies, and the Caesar dressing is making an amazing touch to it. Do try this salad at your home and please let me know in the comment section below. Stay healthy, remain healthy, and please subscribe and support to my channel. Thank you.